RVNFIT is brought to you by Andy Martinez Jr. Real Estate. With RVNFIT. Got Rachel and Rebecca here, and today we're not at a gym. We are at Nelly's Organics, and what that is a healthy chocolate bar, candy bar. So this is great, right? Yeah. You like to go to the gym, you like to eat what you want to eat. Here we go. Let's go see what it's all about. Come on. Okay. Hi guys. Hi. I'm Rebecca. Nice to meet you.
Carla.
Rachel.
Rachel, pleasure.
Nice to meet you guys.
Carla,
Thanks for having us.
You guys. So you're Nelly's Organics. Now I remember meeting you both over at the Fit Expo in LA. The LA Fit Expo.
That was a crazy event. That was great.
Yeah, it was really fun. And I just remember you guys because you had healthy, like candy bars.
So they're not protein bars.
No, we're not.
They're candy bars.
He's like, wait, I want to make sure you all know.
Yes. It's not protein.
Not protein bars. Okay.
Yeah, I just started watching documentaries and doing all kinds of research on food and ingredients, and then I started reading the back of the labels on candy bars, and I just was trying to basically make something the kids would eat that was healthier.
Our house became invaded with just superfoods, right?
Right.
Things I'd never heard of. We had goji berries coming in.
Yeah.
I'm like, what is this? And there were cacao nibs
This is
laying
all
around.
new for
and
you.
Cacao butter. Yeah.
Yeah,
all that
it was
Did you guys grow up eating that way?
No, it was probably about 9 years ago. It was 9 years ago that I watched Food Inc. That was the first documentary I ever watched.
Very nice.
And that kind of, then I kept watching them, and I just kept learning more and more, and then I was like, oh, we can't eat this, we can't eat that. And he was like, could you stop watching this? We can't eat anything.
Right.
So then I started to get kind of creative and just came up with things that
Well, and I think
worked.
what we decided is
And now
that,
it's
okay, so now we have a bunch of things we can't eat, but what can we eat?
Right.
And this is when she started doing that research.
So are you guys vegan or
Yeah.
you guys turned
Completely
vegan?
vegan.
Did you turn
Yeah.
vegan?
We
And your
did.
daughters?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Your daughters too?
Yeah.
It's like, is it kosher?
Yeah.
I feel, okay, I
It's
was like, I
kosher
think I
parv.
remember it was
So it's
kosher.
actually, it's kosher parv. It's 100% organic. It is gluten-free, soy-free. We're not certified gluten-free yet
Right.
because of the certification. We're
Uh-huh.
small, and every certification costs a
Yeah.
lot of money.
Yeah.
So we have 3 so far. We're working on the
Nice.
Well, I was wondering, what were you guys doing before this?
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
what were your jobs before?
odd jobs, and I had 2 kids. So I was
Yeah.
always home.
Right.
But before that, I was a waitress, and I
Mhm.
worked in a dentist office. I mean,
Yeah,
I didn't have
And
a
so
career.
we
He
were
had-
fortunate. I was working for the studios,
Okay.
right? I went to Paramount, CBS, and so I was helping build business systems to help run those
Oh,
businesses.
wow.
Nice.
That's
And so it gave us
Ties
just
in.
enough of an income that she could be what we wanted,
Yeah,
home with the kids
absolutely.
and raising
That's what I
them
would
and
do.
doing
Yeah.
exactly.
Feeding them
That's
healthy
like
food.
Yeah.
That's my dream
Yeah.
job.
Right.
No,
Yeah,
it
for
was.
sure.
It was.
But then
It was
as-
awesome.
As she
Like,
started playing with these concoctions and friends
Yeah.
and family started to react to them, right?
Yep.
And they said, you should sell these. And we're like, well, I hadn't really planned that. But
Yeah.
so then we went and she did a little research and found the forager for Whole Foods.
Wow.
And at the time they had this great local foraging program.
Mhm.
And so
With
we
Kimberly
we
Albright,
literally took
who's-
them in this
who's
really
awesome.
kind of very amateurish packaging, and we handed over to her these first products, and
Yeah.
we expected them to say, "Oh, thanks, guys," but
Right.
but they actually said, "No, go
Yeah.
ahead and bring them in."
You guys have a
So-
lot of people, like, you have Whole Foods, I saw like a whole list of different
Yeah.
companies.
Yeah, we were in Whole Foods. We're only in Southern California, Arizona, Hawaii, and parts of Nevada. And then we're in Sprouts,
Yeah,
Fresh
Sprouts.
Market. Sprouts has
Sprouts
been
is like my
awesome.
favorite.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a great store.
No, we're really
Yeah,
grateful.
so-
It's had
Millions.
nice natural traction over the
Yes.
years. So
Mother's
Well,
Market.
People like candy, and people
Yeah.
like healthy candy.
Well, no, that's awesome. How long ago did you guys start this project?
And the name is Nelly.
Oh, Nelly was my mom,
Okay.
so I named it after her. She passed away when I was 18. She died of cancer, and
But you just never
just-
know.
yeah.
Young. I know
Yeah.
our mother passed away from breast
Weird.
cancer when we
oh,
were
that's right.
21.
Yeah.
Oh,
He said that. That's
Yeah,
right.
we were
Okay.
21. So.
and my
No.
mom passed for the same thing. I was older,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
Could
and I
we
go,
see the factory and
Absolutely.
kind of see how you guys
See
do
how
it?
we do what
Yeah,
we
let's
do.
see how you do it. Walk us through it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have to ask you to do first, if we can, is kind of get practice to make sure that everything stays nice and clean in there.
All right.
All master mixer, if you will, on this. She knows the recipes. She's pretty much the only one that does. And so she'll take the different ingredients, mix up as appropriate, put them into these Hobart mixers of ours, and then take and make that center batch. Right? Now once that batch is done, they'll pull that off, and you'll see over here they're working with some of that. So on the far end over there,
So that's after she mixes it.
after she's mixing it, right? So we got Chewy on the far end there is working with our peanut butter coconut bar batch. Right?
Peanut butter coconut bar.
Right? And then here we're making our nut nougat batch. So this is the 2-layer bar. So they're taking and putting that second layer on. He's rolling it out and getting it formed. So as we said, everything truly is handmade here.
Yeah.
We are starting as we grow to automate a few. This is how it started. Was we designed these molds. We make these math batches out. They get good compression. So he'll then store them, get them set, and then he'll cut them. And then that's the way we get evenly sized bars that we're going to coat in our rubbing machine.
Is it tempting to eat when you're here all the time?
Oh.
Yeah. It smells good. That's why you wear that. I know.
Oh, yeah, to
now.
protect
That
his
makes
mouth.
Listen.
Dice que tenés la máscara si no lo comes.
She's putting it through the chocolate rubbing machine, right? But you see how those bars are passing through? If they're not firm enough, then pieces of the coconut or things can actually fall down into the chocolate reservoir. So after they finish this forming process, then we'll rest them either in a refrigerator or a freezer that's behind me.
Okay.
And that'll make all the oils and the sugars in there kind of consolidate and tie everything together and bind it.
But you used to do
I could do
these
more of
at home without the machine.
Oh.
You would just dip them.
Well, when she was coming up with the recipes, yes. But when we went into production, we initially had a shared facility, and so you talk about handmade everything. They were truffles. They were hand rolled, and then they had this little dipping fork, and they would take the bowl of chocolate. And she would be there, like 2 in the morning, because it was in the valley. There was no air conditioning. And we needed to make sure we worked with chocolate with the schooler. So she was dipping one at a time.
Well, actually,
putting
Herman and I, we have them. We have the little forks. We still haven't framed them, and he always said, we have to frame them.
Yes.
Because when we got this machine, it was, I mean,
Yeah.
we literally with the,
That's
These guys have been really the reason we're here.
wow.
and they've been with us from day one.
Now,
So
Margarita and her mom, they were married, right?
They're
And
all
then
related.
A good friend
All
of
of them.
theirs came in, and then
Which is
they
good
met.
and bad.
Right.
And then as you saw the chocolate coming in on
Yes.
this side of the machine. So this long tunnel that you're seeing here, this is a cooling. They call it cooling
Yeah.
tunnel. And the cooling tunnel inside, you don't feel it from the outside, but inside is cool air. So
Okay.
for chocolate to really set, it comes out of that enrobing unit over there.
Yeah.
And at that point, it's about 86 degrees. And so as it goes through the cooling tunnel, the whole idea is to add just enough cold air to it that'll help it set. So when it comes out, it's not liquid chocolate. So at this point, they can manage it gently, right? It's not really ready to put in our flow pack machine yet, but they can move it, as you're saying, off the line,
Right.
cover them up, and put them into the refrigerator so that they can rest for another 5 or 10 minutes.
Right, you'll find them in the refrigerated section of those stores, but they can be out of the fridge for about a week, and they're totally
I
fine.
was gonna say, so if I was going to hike,
You can,
right,
yeah,
that's
as long as
problem.
it's not hot, because it's chocolate, it will
Right,
melt.
it'll melt.
Yeah, but if you take to the movies, I take them with me, and
Yeah.
So one of the things people often ask is, can you freeze them, right? And the answer is yes, you can. But just we always warn people, bear in mind that real chocolate, which is this is a true dark chocolate, if you let it change temperature too rapidly, then it can sweat, and then that sweat will cause the chocolate to turn grayish whitish. They call that chocolate bloom.
Oh, I've
So if you-
seen that.
Yes. So if you ever see
And
a
it doesn't
I
taste
know,
good.
no.
right, it starts to change the look and it changes the taste of it. So the whole thing about managing the temperature is to ensure that A, we get that good shelf life with the real raw foods, and B, the chocolate, you get it. When you bite into one of our bars, I expect you to see that chocolate break off in chunks.
Right.
It's not a compound, it's not going to be soft, it's
Right.
going to really snap. This tray's off, they're putting them into this refrigerator. And you can see they're just sitting here resting.
Okay.
Right? And what that is just kind of giving it a final cool so that when they go to handle it and it goes through our flow wrapping machines,
Okay.
that those bars don't get fingerprints or marred in any way. They kind of keep that chocolate nice and intact at the
Okay.
bottom. As we've grown, we've realized we can't do everything. She started rolling and mixing and dipping and all of that, but she works on recipes, but then now we have a team of we call them BAs, right? Our brand ambassadors that are out there doing demos at stores, checking in on merchandising, making sure that if we're running a deal someplace, that the tags are up. Right now we have a few people, and we help to manage and find and get those people engaged in the right ways, and then we have to do the sales efforts. Then there's all the back end finances and accounting, and so there's a lot of work that needs to be done besides this. So we've had to hand off pieces of it. We've got a great trusted team now, and we're just gonna keep going down the path.
This one, if you read, so this is pretty small, and that's like, it's big.
Yeah.
And purposely like,
That's what exactly.
you read the ingredients, like 100 calories from an apple is different than 100 calories from some chemical.
Yes.
They're not all calories are equal.
Right.
So same with fat, same with sugar, same with everything. So,
Right here. This is what you read, people. Don't worry about this. Worry about this.
okay, need a whole candy bar. They do not get a crash, and that's most likely because there's fiber. Because you don't get crashes when you eat fruit.
So if you'd like to grab fresh off the line,
Like a fresh, yeah. Ooh, and it's still cool. Like, this one is the.
this is our nutty nougat. So
What's y'all's favorite? I'm waiting for this one. What's
that
y'all's
is-
favorite?
That is my go-to every day.
This is your go-to?
Yes.
Everyday
I'll
chocolate.
wait.
Every day.
I'll wait for you.
Our
Oh.
it's like any real food.
I can taste that.
Wow.
Richness.
So,
That's amazing.
Cheers. Cheers.
Hey,
Well, thank you guys so much. That was
Thank
so
you.
fun.
That was so nice.
I'll
Thank
give
you.
you
It was
a
so
hug.
fun.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Yeah.
You guys
No,
are
that was-
amazing.
You drove all the way up here to AP.
Oh, absolutely. We
Yeah.
really loved your product, and
Thank you.
we just
So
really
great.
thank you for sharing your story.
And I'm excited to share it with other people.
You guys
Yeah,
deserve
right.
it. It's gonna keep coming.
Yeah.
So just keep rolling with it.
Think we got enough Nellies?
No, I think I could just use a little bit more.
Oh my goodness. We had a blast in there.
So fun.
Such wonderful people. Nellies, thank you so much for having us come,
Thank you.
giving us a tour of your facility, giving us free product and amazing shirts. We can't
We're
wait
gonna
to
rock
share
this.
this with our clients,
Our
with
friends,
our
our family.
This is a product we believe in. So we just thank you so much. Thank you guys for joining RVNFIT here. Hit the gym. We're not at a gym, but
You
we'll
know?
eat these and then go to the gym, if you know what I'm saying.
Or after, whatever.
Until next time, you guys.
Until next time, stay strong. RVN strong.
Ready to try our beginner program? Download it now at rvnfit.com.
Like I said, I feel like I'm in like Willy Wonka, Chocolate Factory land.